AI is changing the way we shop. But did you know you can make $3,000 plus per month just by helping people find the best products online? No investment, no inventory, just smart AI tools doing the work for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start an AI personal shopping business and turn it into passive income. Let's go! An AI personal shopper helps busy people find the best deals on clothing, gadgets, gifts, or even AI tools. People are already spending money. You just help them make smarter choices using AI-powered shopping tools. AI shopping tools you can use: ChatGPT and Google Bard. Generate product recommendations. Google Lens. Find similar products for lower prices. Honey and Rakuten. Auto-apply coupons and cashback. Amazon Assistant. Compare prices instantly. And the best part: you don't need any money to start. Let's see how to get your first clients. To start, you need a place where people can find you. Here's how. Freelance platforms. Set up a free gig on Fiverr or Upwork offering AI personal shopper services. Social media. Post shopping tips and AI product finds on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Facebook groups and Reddit. Offer free trials and collect testimonials. Pro tip: create a simple Google form where people can submit their shopping requests. This makes it easy to manage clients. Here's how you can turn this into real income. 1. Charge for AI shopping services. Offer: find the best deal services starting at $10 to $50 per request. Sell VIP shopping lists for premium clients. 2. Affiliate commissions. Sign up for Amazon Associates, Walmart, or niche affiliate programs. Recommend AI-chosen products and earn 3 to 10% commission per sale. 3. Subscription model. Create a Telegram or Discord where members pay $5 to $20 per month for exclusive shopping deals and AI recommendations. Pro tip: as you grow, businesses may pay you for sponsored product recommendations. Once you get clients, make it passive. Here's how. Use AI chatbots. Set up an AI chatbot with ManyChat or ChatGPT API to handle basic shopping questions. Automate deal hunting. Use price tracking tools like Camel to find the best prices without manual work. Sell shopping templates. Offer ready-made shopping guides, e.g., Best Budget Laptops 2025, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Pro tip: the more you automate, the more you earn, even while you sleep. And that's how you can make money as an AI personal shopper in 2025. Rocket start today with no investment, use AI to do the work, and scale it into passive income. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI business ideas. And comment below if you want a full tutorial on setting up AI chatbots for shopping automation. See you in the next video.